Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Investment Mindset. It's good to be back to our own home, and I also realize that I am becoming a homebody. Love staying at my cozy home than going out for holidays too often. I miss my daily routine, especially reading charts. Not sure if any of you could relate to that. Finally today, I have the time to sit down and look at some of the stock chart performance, and one of the stock, that is JAG chart, comes to my attention. During my recent vacation, I did start to accumulate JAG stock, I think way back in 25th of April, when I first saw JAG stock price retrace back to 38 cents, where I started to nibble into JAG stock. And I did also continue to buy the dip at 36.5 cents, second one 35.5 cents, and the third one 33.5 cents, where I did post all these completed transactions live on both my IG and Facebook. To me, I did anticipate a healthy pullback after a continuous run up, but boy oh boy, I have to admit that I did not anticipate such a pullback to be so much, or in Hokkien we call it hiong. From the chart, we could see that JAG stock started pulling back on 25th of April from a high of 43 cents to a low of 33 cents on 28 April, all in matters of 4 trading days, which represent a decline of 23.25 cents over 4 days. To me, this is not a small pullback, but a rather big one. I tried looking to see if there is any negative news being released, but I could not find any, except that JAG has confirmed the date of its upcoming 25th AGM, which is to be held on 29th of May this year, where they will seek for the board to approve the proposal for its final and special dividend of 36.59 cents per share via distribution of one treasury share for each 19 existing ordinary share, and also to get renewal of authority for share buyback of up to 10% of its issued shares in the company. JAG has also fixed the ex-date for the payment of its final and special dividend to be on 13 June this year, and to be credited with the treasury shares on the 14 June this year. Nevertheless, to me, this presents as a gift for us as a swing trader. Usually, a drastic pullback would be met with an almost equivalent strength in an upsurge thereafter. To me, I will be looking to add on to my existing position tomorrow when the market opens. Would be great if this stock could continue to retrace further down to 32 cents. Then I would surely buy with both of my hands. Based on its daily chart, this stock is certainly oversold, but that doesn't mean it would not go down further. Anything is possible with the stock market. But if looking at this chart, should JAG stocks hit 32 cents, the probability of a rebound from this level onwards is on the higher side. Now let us look at its monthly time frame chart. We could get to see rather clearly that JAG stock has since retraced back to the scene of the crime. What do I mean by that? Look at it. This is when it first made its base way back in September 2022 all the way to November 2022. JAG stock base for 3 months at this level of 33 cents before it broke out from its subsequent months to achieve an all-time high of 42.5 cents on March this year, which was also when it finally broken up from its long-term downtrend. So usually after such a long rally, it is only healthy for the stock to do a pullback, which was what I shared exactly in my first video of JAG analysis. Pulling back to around 38 to 39 cents to me would have been a safe and attractive level to slowly accumulate a position on this stock. But now with such a drastic pullback to last close at 33 cents, wow, this is indeed a good gift to me after my vacation trip. To me, at 33 cents, we could see from its monthly time frame chart, it is indeed a strong support level. But does this mean that JAG stock would not pull back any further from there. The probability though is on the lower side, but should JAG Berhad pull back further at 32 cents, it should serve as a good rebound level. So tomorrow when the market open, I will try to queue to buy in at any price between 33 cents to 32 cents as a way to dollar cost average down on my existing position. I also saw its principal officer, Mr. Ng Ek Kee, acquired another 750,000 of JAG Berhad stock on the 27th April recently at 35 cents per share under registered name of Libra Valence Sundaram Berhad. My first upside target would be at 38 to 39 cents. If JAG Berhad stock price is able to pierce through this level with volume, then the next upside target we could expect would be at around 42 to 43 cents, which also coincide with its 618 retrace level. As I'm not someone who loves to sell at the highest high, I would not be looking to sell JAG Berhad at its possible highest price at 46 to 47 in the near term, which would also form as a mini double top. I have now come to the end of my sharing for today's video. Hope you have found value in it, and do remember to do your own due diligence and come to your own conclusion. Never listen to any random YouTuber's financial advice, and that's including myself. Bye, and may the good Lord bless you and your family abundantly, and I shall see you again in my next video.